It might happen to you that you just want to share VPN connection through other devices, but that target device doesn't support any VPN applications. In this video, we will learn how to share our Android device VPN into any other device that we have using Wi-Fi method. Let's go. First thing first, jump into your Android device, enable your VPN connection, and then go to Play Store and download every proxy. This is the target application and I hit uninstall. The only note that you need to know is this method only works with your SIM card internet, not the Wi-Fi that you connect into it. So I need to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on the mobile list. Now in the application menu, I click on HTTP proxy to edit this stuff, and on IP address, I will continue using one of these, 104. Okay, I then change the port and let me close the keyboard. I press and save. Now, as you can see, I set a port and IP address for the internet that I want to share, the internet that has a VPN connection. I need to know them. I press and save and enable this HTTP proxy. For now, this Android device shares my VPN connection. To prove it, I'm going to use an old Android device to connect with this VPN, this phone VPN, and see does it work or not. Let's go. Right now we set this VPN stuff. The other thing that we need to do is enabling Wi-Fi tethering. Okay, so go to the settings, connections, mobile hotspot and tethering. Enable the mobile hotspot. As you can see, it's enabled. Now in our old Android device, we need to connect into that phone that we have. This is the Galaxy phone. So as you can see, I connect into this device. I click on it, modify network. In here, I enable show advanced options. In here, on the proxy, I need to change it. Set as manual. Proxy host name is the IP that we set in the other device. This is the proxy that I have. As you can see, proxy detail, host and port. I need to type it in here. Proxy host name. Proxy port. And press and save. In Google, I search where's my IP address and open what's my IP address website to find out does our VPN works or not. I'm in Berlin. So as you can see, this method works. If it doesn't work for you, just go to the HTTP proxy part and in here change the IP address. Okay, the IP address that you have. Right now it's 104. Okay, change it with other stuffs. Test other stuffs. We have 3 cool ones, okay? Use these 3 stuffs that has large amount of numbers. Right now it's time to use it in Linux. So I click in here and choose the phone device, okay? It needs to be connected into the phone. And on the search part, it will appear with Ctrl plus space. I'll type internet connection wizard. In here, you'll see set up a proxy server. I click on it. In this part, we enable this option and change the host name with the thing that we have. The port is this, and I hit on OK. Right now, as you can see, the setting is done, but we need to reboot the device to see does it work or not. Again, as you can see, we are in Berlin. Let me show you the phone. Okay. With this way, I give VPN connection into my puppy Linux device, okay? This device only has 16 GB of space, okay? The whole space of this device is 16 GB. So right now, I gave it an internet connection, a VPN internet connection, okay? That's the info of this device. It will be in here, okay? Right now, my CPU usage were 100. To set that VPN in your Windows operating system, go to search part, in here type proxy settings, scroll a bit, then you'll see manual proxy setup. Enable that one. Type the address, then type the port and click on save. Again, as you can see, it detects that I'm using a VPN and I'm in Berlin. Easy peasy setup. All done. If this content helps you, don't forget to like the channel and subscribe.